Hey YouTube, we're gonna do some more cat power today. Um, this is a beginner lesson, and this song, Metal Heart, is a good beginner song. Now, if you listen to the recording of it, it was done in with the guitar tuned down half a step, but I've listened to a bunch of live versions, and in those versions they're just playing in standard tuning. So unless you want to play with the recording, you can just play it in standard tuning. E, A, D, G, B, E. All right. There's 4 chords in this. They're all beginner chords. And G is the first. Actually, A minor is the first in the chord progression. Losing the star without the sky. Goes back. A minor. Losing the reasons why. You're losing the calling you've been faking, and I'm not kidding. Alright, that's basically the whole song there in a nutshell. Let's go over what we played. The song has a shuffle feel. So a shuffle would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. It's the that, you know, a beat without a shuffle would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a beat with a shuffle would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you could have a shuffle on every beat, or you could have a shuffle on just one beat. So I think it's what 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the beat, kind of, but you know, you can vary that. First chord is A minor, as I said, then transitions very nicely to a C. We know that A minor is first string, or not first fret on the B string, and then your next 2 fingers are going to go on the D and the G at the 3rd fret. And then to transfer to transition to a C, you just have to move your ring finger to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, your A string. Now I play a G like this, where I'm muting the A. So I'm just doing my ring finger and my pinky on the 3rd fret, on the high E and the low E. Now you can add this finger on the 5th string at the 2nd fret if you want to. Makes it sound a little more full, but that's just a variation. It's not either way is fine. So if you're used to playing it this way, just play it that way. If you never played the G, you could maybe try this simplified way I'm teaching. And then the 4th chord in this is a D. Okay, we got your high E and the G string at the 2nd fret, and your B string at the 3rd fret. We play this 4th string in there, and the 5th string. Those are all in the D chord. Just not playing the E string, the low E. And that D only comes around maybe once when we're going from like one verse to the next. Mostly it's just A minor. Damned if you do, C. Damned if you don't, G. You hang on the G. Be true, 'cause they'll lock you up in a sad, sad zoo. A minor, C, G, with a little shuffle. Alright, and then once in a while, throw in the D if you feel like it. Alright, that's my beginner lesson on Cat Power's Metal Heart. It's a great song, and you should have fun playing it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.